Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins at the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans ended Thursday's session modestly lower, unable to hold on to those early modest gains. Weekly export numbers were bullish. China was the leading buyer on the week, but there are the continued questions about the status of the trade war between the United States and China. Phase 1 of the trade deal has not been signed and might not be signed for a while. Corn ended the session higher, oversold and due for a bounce with more harvest delays expected in some key U.S. growing areas. Propane supply is also an issue in many of those areas. Weekly export numbers on corn were bearish, continuing to reflect the competition from South America and Ukraine. And wheat was lower. Weekly export numbers were neutral, but the USDA does project a record global supply at the end of this marketing year. Live cattle were mostly lower and feeders were down with the USDA's cattle on feed numbers out on Friday afternoon. Out of the report, most analysts do expect a big year-to-year increase in placements, modestly higher on feed total, and a fractional decline for the marketings. Those numbers are out Friday at 3 Eastern, 2 Central. And hogs closed higher. Weekly export numbers were bullish, but pork dropped at midday, and that did limit the gains. USDA says that red meat and pork production during October were all-time highs. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.